Welcome to my class. Today I am going to deal with the first chapter, that is crop production and management. In my previous session, one of my colleague has taught you about what is crop plants, rabi crops, kharif crops, and the different agricultural practices and how the soil is prepared. Preparation of soil by the different implements. Now the first topic is sowing of seeds. Sowing of seeds. Once the field is prepared by plowing and leveling, the field is ready for sowing of seeds. Now what is sowing of seeds? Sowing means to put the seeds in the soil for producing crop. This is called sowing of seeds. This sowing of seeds is the important part of crop production. Most of the crops like wheat, rice, barley, oats, mustards. These are the type of crops that are used by sowing of seeds. For sowing of seeds, the most important thing we should take care is that for sowing a seed, we should take a good quality, very healthy type of seeds for sowing a seed. While sowing a seed, we should take care of getting a good crop yield. So there are some precautions that we should take while sowing a seed. The first precaution is that good quality of seed. Good quality of seed means if we are taking a good quality and healthy seeds, we can get a good yield of crop. Second thing, proper depth. That means the seed should be sown at a proper depth. That means the seeds should not be grown so deep into the soil so that the roots are unable to breathe. Second thing, the seed should not be on the surface of the soil so that the birds can come and harm the crops. These are the precautions we should take. Now the third point, proper distance. The seed should be sown at a proper distance. All the seeds should not be sown in a particular area. If we are growing these seeds in a one area only, the drawbacks we get is that the plants grow overcrowded there, so that the crops cannot get the proper amount of water, the proper amount of soil, the proper amount of sunlight, the proper amount of water. These are the drawbacks we see when the seeds are overcrowded. So, instead of getting overcrowded, we should place seed at a proper distance. Each seed should be far away from the other seed so that we can get a good yield of crops. In many seeds like rice and in some type of vegetables, these are not grown in a large quantity. Some vegetables like tomato, brinjal, this type of vegetables are grown in a nursery. in a small quantity. When they are grown in a nursery, when after few days the seeds are developed into a plantlets or seedlings. When these seeds grows into a plantlets, then they are transplanted from nursery to the field, so that the farmers can get an idea that these crops are healthy crops to grow, and they place it in a field for the better yield of the crops and vegetables. There are different methods of sowing of seed. The first method is by hand, and the second method is by seed drills. Now, this is a method of sowing of seeds first by hand. By hand means you might have seen in some field, farmers are used to sprinkle the seeds like this in the field. So this is a way by which the sowing of seeds takes place with the help of hand. So the most drawback we found in this method is what? When we throw the seeds like this, some area is getting more amount of seeds, some area is getting little amount of seeds. In this way, they are not evenly distributed to get a good yield of crops. Second thing, by seed drills. You all know about the plowing method. Plow, है ना? In this what happened? We are using a drills. What is the main use of drills? Drill is to make hole through the field, and seed drills, that means the plow will contain a funnel like funnel. It will have connected with a long tube. When we add the seeds in the funnel, that is attached with the plow, and when we move this plow forward, the seeds which is dropped in the funnel will move from the funnel to the field, and in this way it will level the soil. With the help of plow, it will furrow the soil, and the seeds are folded in a particular field, and they will cover up with the soil also. When the seed that is dropped in the soil is not covered with the soil, then the birds can damage the crop, or the birds can harm the crops. After sowing of seeds, the most important step is applying manures and fertilizers. Why we should apply manures and fertilizers? We know that for a good yield of crop, the crop also need a good amount of nutrients. If the plant is not getting the nutrients enough, then we have to give the manures and fertilizers to the plant. In the field, when farmers using the field again and again, that nutrients which are found in the soil, the minerals which we get from the soil, are taken by the plants. So when the plants are taking these nutrients are getting depleted. When the nutrients are getting depleted, then the crops cannot get the sufficient amount of nutrients. That's why we are applying manures and fertilizers for the plants for the good yield of crops. So dear students, today I have taught you about sowing of seeds, methods of sowing seeds by the two methods, that is by hand, second one is by seed drills, and after that I have told you about manures and fertilizers. There are different methods by which we can apply manure to the plant, which I am going to deal in my next class.
We have seen that soil is prepared by plowing, leveling, and manuring. After preparing soil, seeds are sown in it. First step in sowing is selection of healthy seeds. Seeds should be selected carefully. Any defective seed will not result into plant and will cause less yield. Farmers use stored seed from old crops for sowing. Sometimes, these seeds get destroyed by microorganisms, pests, rats, insects, etc. Such seeds are lighter compared to healthy seeds, and when mixture of both are dumped into water, defective seeds start floating. By this process, healthy seeds can be separated. Nowadays, seeds are prepared in labs which give good and fast yield. Sowing should be done uniformly so that all the plants get equal nutrients and water. After manual sowing, it is important to level the soil again, otherwise birds will pick all the seeds. Similar to soil preparation, sowing is done manually by scattering seeds as well as with the help of machines. For uniform and fast sowing, seed drills are used. These machines can be pulled by bulls as well as by tractors. Seed drill has a funnel-like container, which is connected by several pipes. Seeds are uniformly released from funnel, and through pipes, they mix in soil. In seed drills, pointy ends are present which hide the seed inside the soil, and do the work of leveler at the same time.
So dear students, I hope these concepts are clear for you. Now I am having a homework for you. Please note down this question in your notebook and answer the question. My first question is, what is sowing of seeds? My second question is, describe the different methods of sowing seeds. Note down this question, write it in your notebook. Thank you.